Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Hub with Rahat. How are you doing all? Hope all are great, fantabulous by the root of omnipotent Allah. And I'm also keeping good and fit. Dear viewers, before giving clarification about my channel, I want to give a short brief about myself. My name is S.M. Rahat. Basically, I was born in Sandif, and currently I am residing in Chittagong for the sake of my occupation, and my profession is obviously teaching. As an English teacher and trainer, I have been working in this field approximately 15 years, and I have gained lots of experiences and expertise in this language. Dear viewers and my English lovers, the day is really special for me, and I am really exhilarating and over the moon because I have got lots of inspiration and applause from my friends, from my students, and from my English lovers. A few days before, I have revealed a video or some videos on my Facebook page, and everybody inspired me and applauded me a lot, and that's why I'm really inspired and motivated. So it's really amazing for me. I'm really grateful and thankful to all of my viewers, learners, and my students, and also my friends. Dear viewers, actually today's video is the inception of my YouTube channel, and everybody's thinking about what type of contents or information I will provide here or I will present here. Am I right? Don't worry. Let me clear. I will tell you everything step by step. But before that, please keep watching my full video and listen to very carefully. Okay, guys? And my very beloved viewers and English lovers. In my channel, I want to give lots of things. I want to present lots of things, especially fundamental grammars, which is deeply related our academic program and tertiary level, that means varsity level, any kind of competitive exam. So I have arranged my all videos, all kinds of ingredients, and that's why I'm really happy that yes, after a long time, you can call it once in a blue moon, I have decided I have to do something for my English lovers, for my students, those who are facing lots of problems in English, those who are really enthusiastic and interested to learn English, those who are trying to improve their fluency like a native speaker, and those who are really interested to know English very easily. So all kinds of things you will get in my channel. Okay guys, I think it will be interesting, and I will try my level best to make sure my all videos constructive and also instructive, and my all videos will help you to understand English very well, and I will try my level best to remove your all phobia of this language. And one thing I want to share, and that is really essential for all of my viewers, all of my learners, and that is, who will change our destiny? Is my question to all of my viewers. Who will give us a good platform? Who will help us to make our career standard and acceptable and bright? This is a really harsh truth that nobody in this world will change your destiny, your fate. You can change only by you. Nobody can change you. And one thing you have to keep in mind always, if Allah wants, you must be changed. Because Allah says, Allah helps those who help themselves. You have already learned this proverb several times in your life, but nothing is changed because of you. You are the main barrier of your success, of your career. You have to take the first initiative to change your career, to change your fate in your own hand. Nobody can change your position or career. Only you can change your career and position. Okay guys, so I think my all videos will be helpful and enjoyable. You can get lots of information from my all videos, and I will try my level best to prove my worth. It's my commitment to all of my viewers and learners and listeners, and I want to prove that English is really a piece of cake, not a rocket science. You can get all kinds of things consistently if you will stay with me, if you will connect with me. So guys, thank you so much for watching me and for watching my video. uh, One thing I want to share, always try to understand yourself, love yourself, and try to explore your quality, your ability, and sometimes you have to explore your weakness. If you are really able to find out your weakness, and I think one day you can conquer everything that you expect. Okay, nothing is possible overnight. If you are hardworking, if you are perseverant and self-driven, nobody can stop you. Nobody can snatch your success. I hope what I'm going to tell you. So, guys, and my viewers and my learners, please try to change your position. So, guys, till then, take care and have fun. And obviously, just love yourself and stay with your families and do some good deeds, because everything is very transitory in this world. Nobody can stay here long time. So, and this is my clarification. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Tata.